Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of tattoo technology with a closer look at this wireless tattoo stencil printer. This machine promises to make transferring designs easier and more efficient. So let's see if it lives up to the hype. First impressions are important, and this printer definitely makes a good one. It's compact and sleek, which is a huge plus for any artist working in a smaller studio space or on the go. The fact that it's wireless is a game changer, eliminating the need for cumbersome cables and allowing for greater flexibility in placement. The printer boasts compatibility with both Android and iOS devices, as well as PCs and tablets. This wide range of compatibility is fantastic, ensuring that most artists can seamlessly integrate it into their existing workflow. Setting it up was surprisingly straightforward. The instructions were clear, and it connected to a smartphone via Bluetooth without any hiccups. One of the biggest selling points is the included 20 sheets of tattoo, transfer paper, and thermal paper. This is a generous inclusion and allows you to start printing stencils right out of the box. The quality of the transfer paper seems decent, providing a good balance between detail and durability. Now, let's talk about performance. The printing process is relatively quick and quiet. The stencils produced are clear and crisp, with good contrast, making them easy to follow during the tattooing process. We tested it with various designs, from intricate line work to bold shading, and the printer handled them all admirably. The 2600 mAh battery is another notable feature. It provides ample power for extended use, meaning you won't have to worry about constantly recharging it during a busy day. A full charge should easily last through multiple stencil printings. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. While the printer is user-friendly, it does require some initial experimentation to find the optimal settings for your specific designs and transfer paper. It's also important to use high-quality images to ensure the best possible stencil clarity. Overall, this wireless tattoo stencil printer is a solid investment for any tattoo artist looking to streamline their stencil making process. Its portability, ease of use, and compatibility with various devices make it a valuable tool for both studio and on-the-go work. The inclusion of transfer paper is a nice bonus, and the print quality is generally excellent. While it may require some initial tweaking to get the settings just right, the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks. If you're in the market for a wireless stencil printer, this one is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.